Tanush, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus Level 1. Your first question is, what is the answer for 69 minus 6 minus 6
Yes, sir.
minus 7?
50, sir.
Good. Next question, 38
Yes, sir.
minus 3
Yes, sir.
minus 9
Yes, sir.
plus 7. Very good. Next question, 44
Yes, sir.
minus 3
Yes, sir.
minus 6 plus 5.
40.
Okay. Next question, 71
Yes, sir.
minus 6 minus 8 minus 7.
50, sir.
Next question, 26
Yes, sir.
minus 4
Yes, sir.
minus 6 plus
Sir.
9.
25, sir.
Next question, 18
Yes, sir.
minus 5 minus 7 plus 9.
15, sir.
Good. Next question, 43
Yes, sir.
minus 5 minus 5
Yes, sir.
and minus 7.
Next to 20, 26, sir.
Very good. Next question, 46
Yes, sir.
minus 2
Yes, sir.
minus 9 minus 8.
Sir, 27.
Next question, 73
Yes, sir.
minus 7
Yes, sir.
minus 8 minus 6.
Sir, 52.
Very good. Okay, keep it up.